The health benefits and uses of lemongrass. 1. Lemongrass is a tasty herb used in Thai cooking and has some wonderful health benefits for the human body. 2. This is a citrusy smelling grass which grows in Australia, Asia and Africa and is also known as barbed wire grass or Cymbopogon. 3. It is commonly used as a natural medicine in India to treat many problems and can be purchased fresh, in powdered form or as lemongrass oil. 4. High cholesterol levels are common in many people. This herb helps to lower these levels and reduce harmful triglycerides in the blood. This helps the body to circulate blood in a healthy way, reducing the risk of heart problems. 5. Lemongrass also contains citral, a powerful compound which prevents cancer cells from spreading, especially in cases of skin or breast cancer. 6. When eaten regularly, lemongrass helps your body to absorb more nutrients. This strengthens the immune system and the body's defenses against diseases and infections. 7. Studies have shown that lemongrass can help cells in the body to communicate more effectively, which reduces inflammation throughout the body. 8. Many people use lemongrass oil as a natural skin tonic, as it can be used to cleanse oily skin and clear up acne. It has a gentle antiseptic quality, which cleans and strengthens the skin tissues and pores. 9. In traditional medicine, people have used lemongrass for kidney stones. Extracts from within the herb have been shown to improve kidney health, and therefore works well when blended into kidney cleansing smoothies and juices. 10. It contains many powerful antioxidants, flavonoids and polyphenols, which boost the overall health of the body. These work to slow down the effects of aging. 11. Lemongrass tea is excellent for treating insomnia and those who struggle to sleep at night. It has a soothing effect on the central nervous system and helps you to unwind. 12. It contains nerol, citranolol, dipentine, myrcene, geraniol and methylheptanone. These are powerful essential oils which destroy harmful fungus and bacteria in the body. It is common to use lemongrass oil in aromatherapy, as these oils create a wonderful smell which promotes relaxation and peacefulness. 13. Lemongrass oil is also used in massage oils for relaxation and to improve the quality of the skin. It is said to increase blood circulation and tighten sagging skin. 14. We recommend adding fresh or powdered lemongrass into your diet when trying to lose weight. It has been shown to fight obesity by causing your body to use stored fat for energy and boost the metabolism. 15. Lemongrass is also used in products such as insect repellents, deodorants, shampoos, conditioners, pet products, candles, cosmetic products, and perfumes. 16. Nutritionally, lemongrass contains many nutrients such as vitamin A, B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, C, and folate, and minerals including potassium, magnesium, calcium, iron, zinc, copper, and manganese. 17. Whole stems of lemongrass can be added to delicious stews and curries to add flavour and nutrients, and then removed before serving. 18. To learn more about healthy herbs and foods, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.